Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix the Facebook daily limit problem. Facebook includes a daily limit feature to help users manage their screen time. If this feature is accidentally turned on or set too low, you might get blocked from using Facebook after reaching the limit. You can adjust it or turn it off to regain full access. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon from the top right corner. This will open quick options related to your account. Then tap on the three lines from the top left corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the options for managing your account privacy and app preferences. Here, tap on Settings to open the detailed account settings menu. Now scroll down and tap on Time Management. This section shows tools like Daily Limit and Your Time on Facebook, which track how long you spend on the app. Then tap on Daily Limit to view your current limit. You will see preset options like 1 second, 6 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, or 2 hours. Now you can select off to remove the daily limit completely, allowing you to use Facebook without any restrictions. After that, you can also monitor your daily usage in the time management section to avoid accidentally hitting the limit again. Thank you, guys, so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.